Parklands, was an idea kind of redoing what Frederick Law Olmsted did years ago, go out beyond the perimeter of the city, preserve the land, and build a park, and the city would grow around it. Sam Stewart. My position with the Parklands is the Director of Development and External Relations. The park is busy every day depending on the time of year and season. We have lots of soccer tournaments and weddings and business meetings. Our education center operates camps. The maintenance of the park, people don't really think about that. Someone, and part of those daily operations are updating signs. Some signs last longer than others. Some seem to fade out really fast.
Ryan Holtzman, I'm the Senior Marketing Manager for Chroma-Lux. Chroma-Lux is the world's finest dye sublimation print media. So our coatings were optimized to give the highest quality image and engineered to last a lifetime. So with Chroma-Lux, you get the complete print media offering. There's nothing else that combines the vibrancy, the color, the durability, the archival properties like a Chroma-Lux. So the Parklands is in Louisville, Kentucky. That's where we live, that's where we work, that's where we are. And so it was important for us to, if we saw a need in the community and there was a way that we could help, especially with what we do, that we would give back.
Chroma-Lux had reached out about some signage needs and started working together and looking at some of these signs that we had and just kind of how rough they had begun to look and how quickly. Some are maybe 10 years old and some are 3 years old, but the weather conditions that they're in, they just don't last as long as others.
We saw the Parklands as a beautiful place and we thought, wow, this deserves the most premium signage there is. Chroma-Lux Outdoor was specifically designed for long-term outdoor performance. These are UV-resistant panels that have a coating that gives a life expectancy of up to 10 years. So beyond being visually stunning, these are things that truly will hold up and they're resistant to the weather, chemicals, graffiti, scratches, any type of activity that would go on in a park-like setting like this. So it's perfect. It's the perfect product for a place like this.
I was completely amazed at how great it looks after it's finished, the vibrant colors that they could capture in that sign and how quickly, and the technology that it's going to last. The signs that we have that are 5 years old don't look, they look like they're 10 years old. They just don't last as long as these, and these look so great from the beginning. It's great how you mount them. There's screwing them into our panels. They don't have that vinyl on top where it peels and immediately starts to peel. You can clean them with anything. They're meant to last.
What's really cool to me is not only are we able to give to a local park such as the Parklands and put up something that is going to last. So when we come back in 5-10 years, they'll see these things still look great.